Our early experiences with caregivers play a pivotal role in shaping our attachment styles. Many of the triggers you notice in your life today can be traced back to those formative moments where insecure attachment patterns developed as a means of self-protection. While these patterns once helped you cope with early challenges, they can now hinder the formation of deep, meaningful connections. Understanding that these triggers and patterns are rooted in your past is the first step toward transformation. By recognizing their origins, you can begin to dismantle these automatic responses and open yourself up to vulnerability, the key to building genuine, fulfilling relationships. Join me as we explore these dynamics and discover how healing your attachment wounds can pave the way for richer, more connected relationships in your life. You can register at the link below.